Are you, as an injured worker, eligible for any type of pay under workers' compensation? Hello, my name is Ty Wilson. I'm a Georgia workers' compensation attorney practicing law in the state of Georgia. And you are entitled to have your mileage paid. This would be mileage from you driving from your house to the doctor, from the doctor back to your house, from your house to physical therapist, from the physical therapist back to your house, from your house to the pharmacy, from the pharmacy back to your house. Now, if the insurance company provides you transportation, you're not entitled to mileage. And that just makes sense. They're paying to transport you somewhere, and so they shouldn't have to pay you mileage. This is if you're using your vehicle and your gas to get to these different locations. So you're entitled to mileage. You want to keep a mileage log, and you want to make sure that you deliver that to the insurance company timely. What does that mean? Well, that means if you wait over a year, you'll lose your right to be reimbursed for mileage. And so I would recommend no more than 3 months, submit the mileage and have it reimbursed, okay? You're also entitled to prescription reimbursement. Typically, workers' comp will actually set up something and provide you pharmacy cards where they'll provide you the prescriptions without you having to come out of pocket. However, every now and then, you will have to come out of pocket for the sake of getting the prescription, especially if it's pain medication and you're in agonizing pain. So you want to go ahead and get the prescription. You want to go ahead and get the receipts and, more importantly, the documentation that show what doctor ordered that prescription. And then you want to scan that or fax it and send it over to the adjuster and request that they reimburse you that amount. Those you're entitled to. You could be entitled to income benefits. What are income benefits? Well, if you're out of work completely for more than 7 days, it's what's called temporary total disability, also known as TTD, temporary total disability or weekly income benefits. If you're on light duty and they return you back to work, but you're not working full time, and the insurance company has to pay you some money and the employer has to pay you some money, that would be known as temporary partial disability. You're temporarily injured and you're partially disabled, not completely. So you're on light duty and you're working and you're getting money from both the employer and the workers' compensation insurance carrier. Another one would be permanent partial disability. That's usually at the end of the claim. Once the doctor has seen you and says, medically speaking, I have nothing more to offer you. However, you are impaired. I'm going to give you an impairment rating. There's a calculation, and you can look on the back of what is called a Form WC-2, as on the Georgia State Board of Workers' Compensation's website, and it will show you how to calculate that to the penny. And so those are the things that you could be entitled to. There are specific things that have to happen for you to be entitled to any of the income benefits, meaning the temporary total disability, the temporary partial disability, and the permanent partial disability. However, you are entitled to mileage reimbursement as long as you're driving, and you are entitled to prescription reimbursement. That could include also medical devices, splints, crutches, canes, and so forth. Just make sure you get the prescription for them so that the insurance company will reimburse you. We hope that that's been helpful, and we'll see you on the next video.